Hi guys, today is National Banana Split Day. So you know what that means, right? I'm gonna make a yummy banana split, and this is my way of making it. You have your own way, but this is just an interesting way. Wait till you see what I'm using. This is everything I'm using. I'm using this. Now, this is not a bowl. This is actually a planter that I've gotten from Disney. But you know what? It's going to make a nice little banana split in there. So I'm making Boo a banana split in this. And I have some strawberry. I have pineapple, maraschino cherries, caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, ice cream, a banana, and whipped cream and nuts. All right, first thing I'm going to do is get some ice cream out. Now most banana splits, they do like the 3 scoops of ice cream. You don't have to do that way. You can do it any old way you want. Alrighty. Well, hi, Obi. Are you back here to help me? All right. So we got the ice cream in. I am going to I got to cut the banana. And, you know, most places will slice them down the middle and put them whole. It's too hard to eat. So I will slice them up in there. Just makes it easier to eat. Well, again, this is how I do it. You can do it any way you want. Okay, bananas on. Now I'm going to open up and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of strawberry over here on this side. Got some pineapple. I'm going to drizzle some of that over on this side. Uh-oh, I just made a mess on his leg. And Boo is more of a chocolate lover than a caramel. So I'm going to take the chocolate. And I'm going to drizzle it on this side. We'll go a little bit over here. Uh-oh. I like caramel, so I'm going to add caramel to mine. Now we're going to go with whipped cream. Doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness. Let's wipe the chocolate off. Now, I've got peanuts, so I'm going to throw a little bit of peanuts on there. I chopped up quite a bit, so we'll just throw them on there. And then last but not least, a cherry. But we go 2 cherries. And I go 3 cherries on mine. Now, tell me, does that look good or does that look good? Let's see if Boo is gonna like it. All right, let's put a spoon in it and let's take it to him. Hey, Boo. I got you a banana split. Is it cute or is it cute?
Yeah, it's cute.
Obi wants some.
Oh, calm down, buddy.
I think the whipped cream. I think he probably smells the whipped cream.
Yeah. Look how he like it. Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, a little bit of whipped cream.
He like
on his face.
He says he'll get to it.
Did you get it, man? All right, I put 2 cherries on it for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Oh, I will.
So, Boo, how was your banana split?
It was in my belly.
In your belly?
It's in my belly.
Oh, you noticed the strawberry, the pineapple. I didn't put caramel in there for you, but yummy. Oh, you're still licking it off your fingers? It's good.
Yeah, I know. Make another one.
All right, guys. So enjoy your day and make you a banana split. It's good for you.
Make me another one.
Okay.